Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Ninth class, as you already know, that we have already finished reading our unit number 4, Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha. So now what I would advise you to do is to go through the unit once again and try answering the questions that are given in the exercise. Where are these questions? These are there on page 38. These are there on page 38 of your textbook. Exercise C. Try answering the questions yourself and then I'll discuss. Rather, I will write the answers on the whiteboard afterwards so that you can check your answers with them, tally them with the answers I write on the board. Right now we are going to do some grammar exercises. Number 1, this exercise is based on abstract noun, and the other exercise that we are going to do today is based on articles. Let's see what is meant by an abstract noun. An abstract noun is the name of a feeling, idea or state. In other words, you can say that abstract nouns are words that name things that cannot be detected by the 5 senses because they are not concrete. You cannot see them, you cannot taste them, touch them, hear them or smell them because these things are not concrete. So, how do we form abstract nouns? These can be formed from adjectives, verbs and common nouns. Here you have got in your book an exercise A which says underline abstract nouns in paragraph 4. So for that, kindly go through your paragraph number 4 once again and try to underline the abstract nouns given in that paragraph. We'll do exercise B here. Form abstract nouns from the given words. So courageous, from this word, which quality comes to your mind? Courage. Empty, a state of emptiness. Difficult, a state or condition of being difficult. It would be difficulty. Generous, generosity. Better mark the difference in spelling. When we write generous, we write R-O-U-S. But when we write generosity, we do not use U. Mark the spelling change. Resolute, the quality of resolution. If somebody is resolute, he has this quality of resolution. Suffer, suffering. So, now we will move on to our next exercise that is based on articles. So, articles are divided into 2 categories, the indefinite articles and the definite articles. Indefinite articles include a and an. A and an are used with singular count nouns. What is the difference in their use? A is used before a noun that starts with a consonant sound, whereas an is used with the word that starts with the vowel sound. For example, a classroom, a whiteboard, a fan. but, an apple, an umbrella, etc. So, now we come to the definite article the. The definite article the is the most frequently used word in the English language. So, before discussing how we use this article, I would like to discuss the pronunciation of this word. Sometimes it is pronounced the with a short sound, and sometimes it is pronounced the with a long sound. So, what is the difference? The word that comes after this article makes all the difference. If the word begins with the consonant sound, we read the lecture, the whiteboard, the table. But if the word that comes after it starts with the vowel sound, then we read it the. For example, the end, the other day, etc. So, now come to the point where to use this definite article the. In general, we use this definite article the with the nouns that are specific, special or unique. There are also other uses I will discuss when we do this exercise. We use this article with superlatives. We use it to specify things. We use it with mountain ranges, etc. So, let us start doing the exercise. Trees are grown on either side of the canal. We won't use any article with trees because we are talking about trees in general. We don't want to specify them. So, plural nouns, when they are not specific, do not take any article. Trees are grown on either side of the canal. Why the canal? Because this canal is specific. The speaker and the listener, or the writer and the reader, share this knowledge which canal they are talking about. This is a specific canal that they are talking about. So, we will use the. Number 2, her courage and patience is exemplary. Exemplary, misali. So, courage and patience both are abstract nouns. We do not use any article with abstract nouns. So, this sentence is correct, no need to insert any article. Kindness and tolerance are noble deeds. Again, kindness and tolerance, these are abstract nouns, no need to use any article. So, again the sentence is correct and we will not insert any article in this sentence. Then come to the fourth one, higher you go, cooler it is. So, in this type of construction, we use the higher you go, the cooler it is. This is parallel comparison, and usually we use the with the superlative degree of adjectives, but at times we use it with the comparative degree of adjectives as well, as we have used it here. In the sentences where there is parallel comparison and you have this meaning, जितना and इतना, जितना आप ऊपर जाएंगे उतनी ज़्यादा ठंड होगी. So, इतना and जितना जब इस सेंस में यूज़ होता है, we use the with the comparative degree of adjective. He is tallest in his class. You see, here we have got the superlative degree, and generally we do use the definite article the with the superlative degree. He is the tallest in his class. Dog is faithful animal. What are we going to use here? The dog. Why the dog? Because we use the to say something about all the things referred to by a noun. So the dog means all the dogs are faithful. That's why the dog is a faithful animal. Indus is largest river in Pakistan. Indus. So we use the with the names of the rivers. The Indus is the largest. Why the largest? Because superlative degree, and before superlative degree we use the. River in Pakistan, we are not going to use the here because we do not use this definite article with the names of the countries, but we do use this article with the names of those countries that have such words as states or kingdom, जैसे UK, the United Kingdom, USA, the United States of America, but not with the names of countries in general. Mount Everest is highest peak in the world. The Mount Everest or Mount Everest? Mount Everest. Why? Because we use the with the mountain ranges but not with single mountains. You might have never heard the K2. We always hear K2 is the second highest peak. So Mount Everest will take no article, is the highest peak. The highest, why? Again the superlative degree is there. Peak in the world. Why the world? Because we add the with the things that are unique. And how do we know? We know that because of our knowledge of the universe, of the world. For example, we use the sun, the moon, the earth, the universe, the world, etc. Alize is most intelligent girl in school. So Alize is the most intelligent, again superlative degree. In the school, because it is a specific school we are talking about. Where are books which I bought a week ago? So here we are going to add the. Why? Because the listener and the speaker know which books they are talking about. Which books? Which I bought a week ago. The speaker says, where are the books which I bought a week ago? Here we should place a question mark. So this clause which I bought a week ago is making it special. The noun books is made special by the use of this clause which I bought a week ago. So this is how we use articles, and this is all for today's lecture. I will see you with my next lecture very soon. Allah Hafiz.